Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to make your iPhone look aesthetic. For example, if you want to change your iPhone look to a new level and you want to change the icon view and all other setting, then how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply go to general, and in general you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on reset network setting, and you have to reset all of network settings. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings again, and you have to go to general, and this time you have to click on software update, and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest iOS 18 on your iPhone. So after that, what you have to do, you have to simply press and hold on the blank portion on the home screen. After that, you have to simply click on edit option, and you have to click on customize. So here you can simply change the settings, and you can make your iPhone look aesthetic by changing the icon colors, and also you can also change the icon size. But if you do not get that setting, which means you do not understand the setting, then you can also change the setting by simply installing the apps which have the launcher apps like themes. So you can simply look for the apps which can provide themes on your iPhone for your home screen. So you have to open the App Store, and in the App Store you have to simply look for the app which can provide the themes for your iPhone on your iOS 18. So after that, you can simply search for that app, and you can install that app, and after installing the app, you can simply check for the different themes which can make your iPhone look better than ever. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.